Everybody want the limelight, but I just want my mind right. Ain't tryna cop no AP or the rollie till the time right. Making sure that it shine right. Before you hop up in this shit, you better read the guidelines. You could be pussy if you want, but niggas ain't got 9 lives. Last time I shot a nigga, we hit him way more than 9 times. The product of what I know, so why would I lie? Bitch, I got a nephew who need me, so why would I die? Shit, I always got mine. It ain't about money, fuck the conversation.
Hey, bitch move. Police on the highway, so we had to get loose. Game of death, big choppers, them bitches kicking like they Bruce. I'm a disrespectful nigga, bitch, don't tell me what to do. Mighty send this bitch don't like it, get removed. Nah, you wanna see that too, unless I put that hoe to use. They swearing I'm lacking, man, that's just something they assume. Cause them niggas ain't gon' breathe when this big bitch go boom.
Watch this, nigga. I don't think nobody can rap like me. Look. Finna bitch press these lyrics, gotta get them off my chest. Throwing shots at you niggas, I'm not talking with a tech. I'm talking about them niggas that be acting in the field. Why them press niggas twice, why they ripping like they real? 17 with a stick, the fuck you finna do to me? See you flexing diamonds would take you out your jewelry. Show your bitch a new experience, she said it's new to me. Brody really trying to check the bitch because she choosing me.